All right, number 4. Okay, so my thing with number 4 is this right here, right at the bat. Okay, actually, I don't need to make that bigger. I can keep it small. I need to find out where these two graphs intersect. So let's get rid of that transparency. And again, you can use your finger. You can plot what you got to do. Right here is my answer to this system of equations. X equals 3. Let's remember that. X equals 3 and y equals what? 5. The solution to this problem is literally the coordinate 3, 5. Okay? But let's remember that x equals 3, y equals 5. I'm a student taking the test. I can just leave it right there because all I got to do is this. Done. And then when I want to, boom, there it is again. That's actually the calculator. Hello, chicken genius. Right here. Done. So I already know that I want x equals 3, y equals 5. And then I can use my calculator if I need to. Okay, so I don't know what I did there to see if I can make that smaller. There we go. So there it is. And it's x you got. Okay, which system equations best represents? So these graphs are one of these guys. If they match and they cross at 3, 5, that's the answer. These guys are already solved for y. These guys are already solved for y. These two are not, but remember, x equals 3, y equals 5, and we're going to use that in a little bit over here because we're going to just plug in for our problems. I don't want to do any writing if I don't have to. So let's go ahead and start with the calculator. Just this guy. Come on, follow me. Do it right. So since already y equals, all I got to do is really just put x plus 2. And it's going to graph it. See that graph right there? And I'm just going to zoom in. This guy's crossing at 2. So let's see here. And then let's with the next one. Negative 4x. I could type in y equals if you want to. You can do that if you want to. You don't have to if it's already y and x. So do these guys cross at 3, 5? They do. That's my answer. I don't have to do any more of these problems. I'm finished. So I know the answer is A. Thank you, TAA, for making that one the answer. What happens though when I try the next one here at plus 15? Look at my intersection. That is not 3, 5. Remember, we wrote that down. The intersection is 3, 5. Watch out. Look. Keep hitting the wrong guy, man. There. 3, 5. And we got 3, 5 right now on the calculator, didn't we? Look. The first one was 17. And I said, look, right here, click, 3, 5. I'm done, bro. It's A. How easy of a test is this? The other thing I know, remember, x is 3, right? So x equals 3, and y equals 5. If I come over here and I put x plus y, will it let me? No, it won't because it's graphing. Dun, dun, dun. But I know that 3 plus 5 is not 2. Then just plug it in there, right? 3 plus 5 is 8, and it's not 2. That's not the answer. 3 plus 5 is 8. Here it says it's 2. These guys are out. It can only be answer choice. If you're wondering what I'm doing here is I'm plugging in x is 3, y is 5, because that's what we got when I get the original problem. I got that over here. X was 3, y is 5. If this is 3 and this is a 5, and I add them, the answer is not 2. So this guy's out and this guy's out. It can be one of these two. Where I plugged in that first one, it was the first one. I'm taking the test as soon as I got this guy as 5. From here, I am done. Next, it could easily be a 30-second question or a 2-minute question, but either way, you should be able to get the right answer. Good luck, guys.